We designed our Giant Loop luggage to be as out of the way as possible to allow you to ride as hard and fast as you need to under all conditions. Just how hard and fast can you ride with a full set of luggage? Well, Giant Loop Ryan and I set out to find out. Here we are at the end of a long day of riding. Some crazy stuff. It's a pleasure to watch you work. Watching you ride is like watching Michelangelo paint. But I mean the Ninja Turtle. It's like painting with nunchucks. That's what you do.
Yes.
So how did the bags do? How did they feel on the bike? Did they impair your ability to do the dumb things that you like to do?
Didn't feel like it got in the way. You'll see in the footage. Tight turns, high speed stuff, a little bit of whoops. I'm 5'9". I mean, I'm not a very tall guy. So, you know, to me, I have to move around a lot. You know, and it's a tall bike. Doesn't get in the way at all. I can ride as good as I want. Yeah, they worked really, really well. You can see. Dusty. I'm a little dusty. Bike worked well. Gear worked really well.
Straps on, stays on. Goes light, goes fast, goes far. All of the things. And I didn't mention it earlier, but Ryan was also modeling all of our new USWE Moto Gear head to toe. So I'll put links to all that stuff in the description of this video too, so you can check it out. But great riding with you, man, as always. And I can't wait to get it out and do it again, maybe in the forest next time.
Absolutely. Go light, go fast, go far.
With Giant Loop.
With Giant Loop.
Yeah.